Flipper Devices just dropped a bombshell, a dual-processor Linux cyberdeck that fits in your pocket. This isn't a Flipper Zero sequel, it's something far more powerful. Today, I'm showing you why the Flipper One might be the most open, versatile ARM computer ever built. The team at Flipper Devices has officially stepped into the big leagues with the Flipper One. They're calling it a pocket-sized dual-processor Linux cyberdeck, and it's designed to bridge the gap between hardware hacking and high-level networking. The specs are honestly overkill for the size. We're looking at Wi-Fi 6E, dual gigabit Ethernet, a dedicated local AI accelerator, an M2 expansion slot, and a full-size HDMI port. It's essentially a high-end server tucked into a form factor you can carry in your jeans. To be clear, the Flipper One is a companion, not a replacement for the Zero. While the Flipper Zero masters Layer 0, think sub-GHz, NFC, and physical protocols, the Flipper One dominates Layer 1. It's built for IP-connected networks, ultra-fast data transfer, and heavy-duty computing. The dual-brain architecture is where it gets interesting. It uses a Rockchip RK3576 8-core processor to run Linux, paired with a Mali G52 GPU and NPU for AI tasks. But for the low-level stuff, like the display, buttons, and power management, it uses a Raspberry Pi RP2350 microcontroller. This ensures the device stays responsive even if the main OS is under heavy load. Connectivity is where the Flipper One shines. It features 2 independent gigabit Ethernet ports and Wi-Fi 6E via the MediaTek MT7921AU chipset. For the security researchers watching, yes, it supports monitor mode and packet injection right out of the box across all 3 bands. This is the game changer, a fully exposed M2 expansion slot. It supports PCI Express, USB 3, and SATA. You can drop in a 5G modem, an NVMe SSD for massive storage, or even a software-defined radio module. Combined with the exposed GPIO and threaded inserts, this is a dream for custom hardware builds. The Flipper team is aiming for total transparency. They've partnered with Collabora to ensure zero proprietary firmware and full mainline Linux kernel support. You'll be running Flip OS, which uses system profiles to switch between tasks, and Flip CTL, a dedicated menu-driven interface optimized for the small screen. Need a break? The Flipper One is a portable media center. That full-size HDMI 2.1 port supports 4K at 120 Hz with CEC control. You can plug it into a hotel TV and navigate your media library using the TV's own remote. It also functions as the ultimate portable router. With a 5G modem in the M2 slot, you can run Wi-Fi repetition or act as a full-blown secure gateway for all your other devices while you're on the move. Finally, it's a survival Linux desktop. Using USB-C DisplayPort Alt mode, you can hook it up to portable monitors or AR glasses. It provides a full desktop environment for deep packet analysis or running local large language models entirely offline. If the Flipper One's modular power blew your mind, hit like so this video reaches more makers and hackers. Drop a comment with the module you'd build first: 5G modem, SDR, NVMe, or something wild. And if you want deep dive breakdowns on Flip OS, packet analysis workflows, or portable Linux setups, subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next.